Jason looking for all his steel.
All right, welcome back to another episode. Since we last checked in, we got the gel coat all done. We are pretty much done buffing. There's going to be some small touch-up stuff that we need to do, but the boat's getting ready to go get rigged right now at Team Archer Marine. You can see we got some of the gauges in. The deck looks really nice. We are pretty much ready to throw the motors in. Paul Foff is done with our motors, getting ready to dyno within the next week. And just excited to rig this thing. Gauges are fit, throttles are fit. A couple little touch-up spots, like I said, but it looks really good. It's gonna have to get buffed out and some corrections when we're done. When we're working on it, you know there's gonna be scratches and dings and things everywhere. Floor's looking good. Engine bay's ready to get rigged. Most likely gonna have to repaint this thing. Maybe we change the stringers, maybe we're good. But you don't wanna get this thing 100% perfect and then have to just correct all the time you wasted, you know. Look at the hull sides. Hull sides are original gel. Deck is re-gel. Saved the hull sides. Bam, she's on the trailer. Water pickup plate mocked up. Looking pretty good. And we are on our way to Team Archer Marine right now to start the rigging process. Next update you'll see will be at Team Archer Marine. There's my new screensaver. Also, look how squatted my truck is. All tongue weight right now. Mexican style. Bam. Look how glassy that baby is. You're good.
Shit, my truck might be in the way. Oh, Calder's doing great.